Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start grammar book lesson 2 and our topic is present perfect tense. Students, open your book on page 5. We know very well the meaning of present, while the meaning of perfect is complete. Complete, and tense mean time of action. Tense shows time of action. Students, so the definition will be the present perfect tense is used to talk about an action completed in the immediate completed in the immediate past. So means the work which has totally completed in the immediate past is called present perfect tense. The word which has totally completed in the time of immediate past is called present perfect tense. For Urdu identification is, students, when our Urdu sentence finish with the words alif hai or ya hai, like gaya hoga, chuka hoga, ho gaya hoga, then we recognize that this is present perfect tense, which we have to translate it English according to the structure of present perfect tense. Structure of affirmative sentence or simple sentence is subject plus auxiliary verb plus verb past participle plus object plus full stop. Putting of full stop in affirmative or simple sentence is very important. Put full stop. Students, we know very well that subject is the doer of action while object is the receiver of action. Subject do verb while object receive the action. Keep in mind that for all perfect tenses, if it will be present perfect tense or future perfect tense or past perfect tense, we use third form of verb. We use third form of verb, which is called past participle. Students, if our subject is I, you, we, they or plural nouns, then we write have for the subject in our structure. And if our subject is he, she, it or singular noun, then we write has for the subject. Note it, for subject I, you, we, they or plural nouns, we use have auxiliary verb. And for subject he, she, it or singular noun, we use auxiliary verb has. The remaining structure is same. Students, if we make negative sentence of simple sentence, it will be very easy. We write just not, we added just not after auxiliary verb in the sentence. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Like I give you an example, I have finished the work. So it will be I have not finished the work. I have finished the work. I have not finished the work. We write just not after auxiliary verb has or have. Students, in interrogative sentence or question sentence, we exchange in our structure just auxiliary and subject. We will write auxiliary verb in the beginning of the sentence, then write subject. Auxiliary verb, subject plus past participle plus object plus question mark. Putting of question mark is very important. Like in the affirmative sentence, we put full stop. I repeat again, the structure of interrogative sentence, auxiliary verb plus subject plus past participle plus object plus question mark. Let's come to our exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs to make present perfect tense. Students, in the brackets, the words are given which is base verb, base form of verb, first form of verb. You have to change it into third form of verb to make perfect present perfect tense with the use of auxiliaries. Like first example is, first sentence is, he dash teaches Arabic. For he we use auxiliary has, and teach will become taught. He has taught us Arabic. Nadia has forget become forgotten. Forgotten is the third form of verb or past participle of forget. All the lessons. Number third, my family members. Because family members is plural. Family members are plural, so we write auxiliary have. My family members have gone to Quetta. She has received, RECEIVED. She has received 3 calls. Verda has washed dishes. In exercise B, change the following sentence into negative. We know that we add just not, we write just not after auxiliaries. You have told us the truth, you have not told us the truth. The engineer has designed a new machine, the engineer has not designed a new machine. Students, write new. A new machine. Write here new, NEW. Number third, our friends have invited us, our friends have not invited us. Number fourth, the cat has killed a rat, the cat has not killed a rat. Number fifth, we have completed 6 tenses, we have not completed 6 tenses. Exercise C, change the following sentence into interrogative or question sentence. They have learned their lesson. Have they learned their lesson? Because the structure is, we write auxiliaries in the beginning of the sentence. Have they learned their lesson? Then put question mark. Mariam has drawn a beautiful scenery. Has Mariam drawn a beautiful scenery? Put question mark. The students have seen the famous lake. Have the students seen the famous lake? We have taken dinner together. Have we taken dinner together? Then put question mark. Exercise D. हम खाना खा चुके हैं. We have, because हम is plural. We have eaten the meal. क्या उस्ताद कापियाँ चेक कर चुके हैं? है used in this sentence. है is used, which is plural. Have the teachers, students, write S with teachers, so it become plural. Have the teachers check the copies? Then put question mark. Have the teachers, write S with the teacher. Have the teachers check the copies? Then put question mark. अब्बू ने नई गाड़ी खरीद ली है. Father has bought a new car. Bought is the third form of verb of buy. तुमने ये किताब नहीं पढ़ी है. You have not read this book. ये shows the word, ये shows the Urdu word, ये shows demonstrative pronoun. So we use this. बच्चे अपना सबक याद कर चुके हैं. The children have learnt their lesson. The children have learnt their lesson. Learnt is the third form of verb. Learn is the third form of learn. Lesson, LESSON. Then put full stop. Students, this is your activity. Make 5 sentences of present perfect tense in your rough copy or in your practice copy. Students, in description there is given a link for you for calligraphy lesson 3 of class 7. Search this link. While in previous lecture there was also given a link for you. Students, stay safe at home. God bless you.